there was a melody that came from the depths of me.
These days, we hear something new about Google Pixel 4 about once a week, whether it's from a third-party leaker or from the company itself. Today, the latest Pixel 4 leak comes from Slash Leaks in the form of a short hands-on video. Two new videos of what appears to be the upcoming Pixel 4 XL just surfaced online, showing how the brand new display that Google has been working on. The first 11-second clip comes from a Malaysian retailer and shows us that the rumored top bezel is indeed as large as previously showed us. We also get a glimpse of the back with the new square cutout for the dual cameras as well as the sides and bottom. Video provides our best straight-on look yet, showing a clear line of bezel around most of the display, as well as thicker top portion to make room for face recognition and gesture sensors. The sides of the phone look particularly thick in this video, though I think they might just appear that way because they curve out a little instead of lying completely flat. The sides also appears to have a grippier matte texture than the back of the phone, which unlike previous Pixel generations, is entirely covered in glass. The second video shows us the white version of the device. This one also reveals more of the UI elements, including the new Android 10 navigation bar and a glimpse of camera interface at the very end.